You should decide whether you want storage drives visible on your desktop. Maybe you want to keep your desktop completely clear, or maybe you do want to see drives, but they're not there now. Make sure Finder is active. If there is another application open, you can click anywhere on the desktop to make Finder active. Go into the Finder application menu and go to Preferences. We should start in the General tab. Decide which items you want to see on the desktop. Turn off hard disks to hide your system drive. Disable external disks to hide external drives and USB memory sticks. This removes those icons from your desktop. If you need to access those storage drives, you can still get to them in Finder. Open a Finder window and you'll see those storage drives are listed in the sidebar in Finder under Locations. Go back to Finder Preferences and go to the Sidebar tab. Here you can decide which items appear in the sidebar in Finder. Make sure your hard drives and external drives are visible here, or hide them if you don't want to see them in Finder.